Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of wellness. Today, we're focusing on a topic that keeps us going day after day, heart health. Our heart, this incredible muscle inside us, is the driving force behind our daily lives. It keeps the blood flowing, ensures oxygen reaches every cell, and plays a vital role in overall well-being. So, let's take some time to understand the essentials of cardio wellness, shall we? Step 1 is all about finding that perfect balance in life, incorporating exercise, healthy eating, and stress management into our routines. You see, physical activity is key to keeping our heart strong and pumping efficiently. Whether it's brisk walking, cycling, or dancing, find an activity you love and make it a habit. And don't forget, nutrition is crucial too. Opt for a well-rounded diet packed with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These food choices provide the essential nutrients our heart craves, helping us maintain a healthy weight and lower the risk of heart disease. Step 2, getting to know your numbers. This means regularly checking your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and understanding your family's medical history. Knowledge is power, and monitoring these numbers allows us to detect any potential issues early on. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Reducing salt intake, limiting unhealthy fats, and increasing our fiber intake are simple ways to keep our numbers in check. Now on to step 3, kicking that bad habit to the curb. Smoking not only damages our lungs, but it's also a major risk factor for heart disease. Quitting smoking is one of the most important things we can do for our cardiovascular health. Seek support from loved ones or even professional resources if needed. The road to quitting may be tough, but it's a journey well worth taking for a healthy heart and a healthier you. Finally, step 4, managing stress, our heart's archenemy. In today's fast-paced world, it's crucial to find effective ways to unwind and relax. Whether it's through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you love, finding that inner calmness will do wonders for your heart health. Remember, my friends, when we take care of our hearts, we're taking care of ourselves. Let's embrace these essentials of cardio wellness and prioritize our heart health in every aspect of our lives. So go ahead and give your heart the love it deserves. Thanks for joining me on this fantastic journey towards a healthier heart. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more life-changing tips and tricks. Until next time, stay heart healthy and keep shining bright.